So, you want to make $3,500 per day with drop servicing with very little work. Well, you come to the right place because that's exactly what I teach, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that in this video. So smash that like button and let's start making money. All right, guys, the method that I'm teaching in this video involves Fiverr arbitrage as listed in my book. In order to do that, you're going to need your own Fiverr seller account. This is free and easy, takes just a few days to get this puppy verified. Once you are verified, you guys can start creating gigs. Now, what you guys are going to do here, if you guys want to actually make money, this is a 3-step process. First, we need to find an offer, whatever we're going to promote, right? So you're basically defining what's my niche here. Niche isn't part of the process. Niche, we're going to pick ghostwriting. So GW for ghostwriting. So 3-step process. Number 1, we find an offer. So we need a cheap ghostwriter that could do this cheap. Let's say they do it for $300. Then we find out how much they charge in the market. So we'll make this mark for market. Now say they're charging about $1,000, the ghostwriters in the market here, right? Other ghostwriters will be charging that, right? And so because we can get it for $300 and they're charging $1,000, there's a $700 discrepancy in the middle here, and that's where we come in and we create our own Fiverr gig. Now, effectively what you want to do here is you want to undercut this guy. This guy needs to be slashed. Now, say you're going to charge $700 for your offer and you're going to undercut them by $300, and not only are you going to undercut them, you're also going to have better quality and better marketing. That means you're going to get more leads and you're going to hold on to those. You're going to retain those customers and they're going to keep on coming back. Your Fiverr seller account is going to get really good ratings, and then before you know it, the marketing happens on its own because people inside of Fiverr that are looking for ghostwriting are going to find your service and they're going to come to you. Because why? Because you're cheaper than this guy, you're better than this guy, and you're more well known than this guy. So now you will get all of the sales and you never have to fulfill the orders yourself. You just go back over here and you fulfill the order over here. So drop servicing is essentially just like drop shipping. You're just doing a drop shipping model, but it's drop servicing. You're doing it with a service instead of a product. So this is the whole process. 1, 2, and boom, 3, getting paid. So that brings me into it because I actually have an offer for you guys. I have a perfect offer over here. Someone I know very well is actually providing a ghostwriting service for a limited time only. They're willing to do it for cheap for our entire audience. If you're watching this channel, you have access. I'll give you the link. You guys have access to get this offer for the low, and you guys can undercut all of your competition. Now, this offer over here is going for $350 for this ghostwriting service. So now we've got our first part, $350 right here for our ghostwriting service. Now what's next? We need to find out what the market provides. What are we offering here? This is 30,000 words. You're going to get 30,000 words for $350. Now this guy is only on this premium package is $1,200 for 15,000 words right here. And we're getting double. We're going to offer double the word count of this guy. And mind you, remember our competition we said was going to be at 1,000 in the middle here, where we're able to do 700. We can do 700 and this guy is charging 1,200 and we have double the word count. Who else do we have here? This one's doing 50,000 words, but they're charging too much. They're charging 1,000. What's this one? This one over here is only 15,000 words for 1,800. So 1,800 for 15,000 words. And now over here, you're getting 20,000 words only for 3,000. And what else? This one's going to do 60,000 words for 7,800. I think this one, yeah, there you go. 35,000 is more comparable to ours because we're getting 30,000. But she is charging $4,500 and we're only getting ours for $350. So this brings us to the next point. What do we do now? Because we found out that everyone charges over $1,000. Everyone was over 1,000, and by a long shot, some of these were way over 1,000. So you guys can, hypothetically speaking, if your marketing is correct, you guys can charge over 1,000 for your service. Now, you just have to get the right buyers at the right place at the right time. But for the sake of this, we're going to assume that all you need to do is charge $700. Why? Because you're getting your offer for $350, and this is a 2x profit. So you double your money on every single sale. And by doubling your money, you never spent any money in the first place because you didn't have to buy it up front. It's like drop shipping. You're getting the 700 first, then you're paying the 350 out. You collect the 700, pay out the 350, and you just keep going like that. And effectively, you do 10 of these sales per day, and that's $3,500 a day. So you make $350 per sale, and you do 10 of these sales per day, and effectively you're making $3,500 per day. If you were to do that every day of the month, that is over $100,000 per month, and you never had to ghostwrite these books yourself. All you did was make a gig and do marketing. That is exactly how I'm showing people how to get rich with Fiverr arbitrage. Now, how to build a $20,000 a month Fiverr arbitrage empire. We've just shown you guys how to build a $100,000 a month Fiverr arbitrage empire completely for free here on YouTube. However, to end off this video, I'm offering my book for only $9.99. We will print and ship a copy directly to your house. You can buy it right here on Amazon, and this teaches this entire process step by step, and it goes way deeper how you can do this with way more than just ghostwriting and way more than just with this service, and you can use AI to scale this to the moon. So I hope you guys got value here in this video, and I showed you guys exactly how you can use this 3-step process to make over $100,000 a month with Fiverr arbitrage. If you got value, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel because I'll keep showing you guys more on this in the next videos. Take care and have a nice day.